Hi, so I'm Nick. This is my first vlog on YouTube. I'm hoping to start, like doing this continually and whatnot. Well, yeah. I want this to be just really fun and like also I want to be able to give advice and shit because it's like I'm a junior in high school and I'm gay and I've been through a lot of just crappy stuff. And so I want to help anyone else who's going through crappy stuff, and if I can, help in any way, I would love to. Um I'm going to post this another video in a little while of this me basically singing Keisha TikTok greatest song ever. Not really. There's a bunch of greater songs, but I love the song. It's really great. I don't own the song though, but yeah, I'm probably just gonna like attach it to the end of this or something. I don't know. I am crazy. I am just like, I mean, I'm a drama kid, so I am really into theater, so yeah, of course I'm gonna be a little crazy. And I text a lot on my. It's held on, the battery's held in by duct tape. The front would come off this if this red tape wasn't there, and well, there's supposed to be little electrical circuits there. Don't pull them out because then you have to have your phone on speaker if you want to hear. Ooh, it's from my friend Taylor. Yeah. So, I don't want to, keep this going too long. But yeah. So I'm just gonna be starting a vlog. Um, I don't think I'm gonna edit things out for a while because I don't really know how to do that. So, oh god, this is gonna be crazy. So yeah, I'm just a freak. Um, I love GD Prophet XV111 or something. Him and Coover87. Oh my god. I would love to, be on your blogs. I would love to meet you guys. You guys are the greatest people ever. I mean, you guys seriously helped me with your vlogs. Check them out. Coover87, Couver 87. He's really, or one. One, he's really cute. Two, he's really smart. Three, he's really helpful. And then GD Prophet XV111 or whatever. Yeah, that kind of gave it away. He's also fairly attractive. I mean, very fairly attractive. He's, really smart and helpful too. They both haven't put up videos in a while, which makes me a little sad. Also, Shane Dawson, you are my hero. You're so great. You're the funniest person on YouTube by far. Even funnier than Fred! I'm so weird. Oh, meet Husky. He's my fish. Husky likes to swim in his own shit. There he is. Say hi, Husky. Oh, you're so cute. I love you, Husky. So, yeah. My fish's name is Husky. Yeah. So yeah, just hit me up with a message. My email is fabulouslynick@gmail.com. So, just hit me up there, hit me up on here on YouTube, just do whatever. Yeah. I don't want to keep you here too long, so yeah. Peace.